everyone is having a great weekend. This weekend I am meal prepping chicken fajitas for lunch for this week. So it'll be chicken fajitas with peppers and a side of black beans. So this will be super healthy, high protein, and we'll have it ready for the week this week. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the marinade for the chicken. It'll be with lime juice, a little bit of soy sauce, some paprika, ground cumin, garlic, salt and pepper, and then olive oil as well. So we'll get that going first, and then we'll work on our peppers and our black beans for the rest of our lunch meal prep for this week. All right, so for our fajita sauce for the chicken, we're going to use a half a cup of lime juice. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have 1 clove of garlic. I have a half of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. So I'm gonna whisk this together, and I'm also gonna add in some cracked black pepper and some salt. All right, so I bought chicken that's already in a little strips, little chicken tenderloin strips. So I'll put this in the marinade. All right, I'm gonna let the chicken sit in the fajita marinade while we cook the rest, the peppers with onion and the black beans. All right, while the chicken is marinating, I am going to chop up the peppers. I have 3 peppers. I have an orange, green, and red. You can use your preference. And then I have 1 white onion. So I will get this ready for our fajitas. So our peppers and onion are all chopped up and ready to go. I'm gonna saute them on the stove with a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper. So we will cook those next. All right, so I'm going to add in some olive oil, and then I'm gonna put in our chopped up peppers and onion. I'm going to add some salt, and a little bit of cracked black pepper. And these are gonna take about 10 minutes to saute here on the stove. All right, so the peppers are looking really good. They're looking nice and soft. So they need about another minute, and then we'll start making the black beans. All right, for the black beans, I have 2 cans. I have washed them, I've rinsed them and drained the water. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. I'm going to turn the stove on to medium. Going to add some salt and pepper. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. We will stir these around and cook the beans only for a couple minutes, but we'll let them sit in this chicken broth and the seasonings for a couple minutes. All right, so we're ready for our chicken that has been marinating in the fajita sauce. I'm gonna add it onto this grill pan. All right, so I'm gonna let the chicken cook for about 5 minutes for each side. We'll be able to start telling when it's done. We'll start seeing a little bit of white come around the chicken, and then we'll be able to flip it. So it'll be about 5 minutes for each side. Okay, so the chicken is cooked through on both sides. So I'm going to let it cool along with the peppers and the beans, and then we will portion it into our lunch containers for this week. All right, so our chicken has cooled and our peppers and our black beans, so I will portion them out into our container. So we will have a spoonful of black beans. All right, now I'm gonna add in the peppers. The fajita chicken. All right, so our super healthy lunch is ready for the week. We have our meal prep fajita chicken with peppers and onions and black beans. So we are all ready to go for this week with a healthy lunch. Check the description box for the recipe for this and leave me a comment if you have any questions. I will get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my other weekly breakfast or lunch meal prep ideas. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.